welcome to Tiny Stories! Today's story is about a little wolf. This little wolf had no friends. Everyone in the forest was afraid of him. So every day, he sat alone and cried. But one tiny rabbit walked up to him, and for the first time ever, the wolf smiled. Moral: kindness changes everything. Thank you